Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Stories. I'm really happy to see you here today because it shows that you are serious about improving yourself and learning something new. Every step you take toward learning English is a step toward more confidence, better opportunities, and clearer communication. In this video, I'm going to share how you can improve your English in 2026 using modern, simple, and practical methods that actually work. Learning English is no longer about memorizing long grammar rules or worrying about mistakes. In 2026, English learning is all about consistency, daily practice, and using the language naturally in your everyday life. Whether you're a beginner or someone who understands English but feels shy while speaking, this guide will show you how to build fluency, improve vocabulary, strengthen listening and reading skills, and speak confidently. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's start this journey together. Change your mindset. Before changing your English, most people fail to improve English not because they lack knowledge, but because their mindset is wrong. The first step to improvement is to believe in yourself and your ability to learn. Stop saying, "My English is very weak." Instead, say, "My English is improving every day," or "I am learning step by step." Your mind will accept this as truth and guide your learning. Remember, English is a skill, not a talent. Just like learning to drive or cook, English is something anyone can master with practice. Fear is the biggest enemy. Fear of mistakes, fear of being laughed at, or fear of speaking wrong. But mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are learning. Focus on this one rule. If people understand you, your English is good enough. Grammar and accent will improve naturally over time. Start creating your English identity by thinking in English and talking to yourself in English. Make English a part of your daily life by changing your phone language, following English content, and listening to English podcasts or stories. Forget old-school methods like rote memorization. Instead, focus on listening, speaking, repeating, and using English in real life. Small daily habits beat intense but irregular study sessions. And always remember, your accent is part of your identity, not a weakness. Before moving forward, promise yourself this: you will practice daily, stay consistent, and trust the process. English improvement is slow at first, but with persistence, it becomes powerful and natural. Steps to improve English fast. Improving English fast is not about cramming grammar rules. It's about learning smartly and using the language daily. The first step is to listen more than you read. Listening teaches pronunciation, sentence structure, and flow naturally. Podcasts, videos, short stories, or songs are perfect. Even if you understand only half at first, your brain starts picking up patterns automatically. Step 2. Speak from day one, even if your sentences are simple. Mistakes are part of the journey. Speak to yourself. Describe daily activities or repeat what you hear in videos. Step 3 is to think in English instead of translating, which speeds up your responses and makes speech natural. Learn phrases, not single words, so you know how words are used in real conversations. Use English in your daily life, phone, social media, and daily activities. Stop worrying about judgment. People rarely notice small mistakes. Focus on communication, not perfection. Consistency is crucial. Even 10 minutes daily is better than long, irregular sessions. Finally, enjoy the process. Learn English through topics you love, stories, songs, or videos. When learning is fun, improvement comes faster than you expect. Daily English routine for fast fluency. A simple daily routine can make English improvement automatic. Start your day listening to English, stories, podcasts, or songs. Your brain starts recognizing sentence patterns and pronunciation naturally. Then, speak out loud, describing your actions or thoughts. I am making tea, or I will read a story today. Next, read simple English content for understanding and vocabulary. Highlight new words and phrases and try using them later. Writing a few sentences daily reinforces thinking in English and improves retention. Combining listening, speaking, reading, and writing every day, even for 20-30 minutes, strengthens all skills at once. Include fun activities like videos, word games, or storytelling. Consistency matters more than length. Over time, speaking and understanding English becomes effortless. Mastering English vocabulary quickly. Vocabulary is the backbone of language. The fastest way to improve vocabulary is to learn words in context, not isolation. For example, instead of memorizing A for apple, I learn, I eat an apple every morning. Group words by topics, food, travel, work, or emotions, so you recall them easily in real-life situations. Use visuals and stories to remember words better. Spaced repetition is key. Review words after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, etc. Always use new words immediately in speaking or writing. Read in English, highlight new words, and practice them naturally. Finally, make learning vocabulary fun with songs, games, or storytelling. When you enjoy it, words stick faster than ever. Improving English listening skills. Listening is the foundation of fluency. Start by listening daily, even if you understand only half. Focus on active listening. Notice keywords, phrases, and pronunciation. Practice shadowing. Repeat immediately after the speaker to imitate tone and flow. Use subtitles wisely at first, then try without them. Listen to different accents to understand real-life English. Combine listening with practice by summarizing stories or videos aloud or in writing. Over time, comprehension improves, and speaking becomes natural without hesitation. Speaking English confidently. Confidence is more important than perfection. Stop fearing mistakes and start speaking daily. Think in English, speak aloud, and use simple sentences. Shadow conversations from videos to mimic pronunciation and rhythm. Record yourself to notice improvements and track progress. Join online English communities or speak with friends to practice in real situations. Make speaking fun. Narrate stories, role play, or describe daily activities. Small daily speaking practice builds confidence and fluency faster than long study sessions. Improving English reading skills. Reading boosts vocabulary, comprehension, and sentence structure understanding. Start with simple content like stories, short articles, or social media posts. Highlight new words and try using them in sentences. Read aloud to improve pronunciation and fluency. Ask yourself questions while reading to improve comprehension. Combine reading with listening to reinforce vocabulary and sentence patterns naturally. Daily reading, even 10-15 minutes, builds strong English skills over time. Improving English writing skills. Writing connects your thoughts to English. Start small. Journal about your day, feelings, or ideas. Focus on expressing yourself, not grammar perfection. Use new words and phrases learned from reading and listening. Rewrite paragraphs from stories in your own words to improve structure and creativity. Daily journaling, even 5 to 10 minutes, strengthens writing, vocabulary, and thinking skills. Get feedback from apps, friends, or online communities to improve faster. Consistent practice turns writing into a natural and confident skill. Practicing English thinking and fluency. Fluency comes when your brain thinks in English. Narrate daily activities, have internal conversations, or describe your surroundings in English. Shadow short dialogues to combine listening, speaking, and thinking. Focus on connecting thoughts quickly. Don't worry about grammar at first. Focus on communication. Daily practice trains your brain to form sentences naturally, turning English into second nature. Staying motivated and making English a habit for life. Motivation is the key to long-term success. Set clear, achievable goals, like speaking 5 minutes daily or learning 5 new words. Celebrate small wins. Every improvement counts. Surround yourself with English through phone language, videos, social media, or online communities. Track progress with journals or recordings to see improvement and adjust practice. Make learning fun. Watch videos, play games, narrate stories, or sing along to songs. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even small daily habits create fluency over time. By following these 10 steps, mindset, listening, speaking, vocabulary, reading, writing, thinking, daily routines, and motivation, your English will improve naturally in 2026. Practice, patience, and consistency are the true keys. Stick to this plan, enjoy the journey, and soon speaking, reading, listening, and writing in English will feel effortless and natural. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for more tips and stories to improve your English. Comment below which step you are going to start with today. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, practice a little every day, stay consistent, and enjoy your English journey. See you in the next video. Happy learning!